Alright guys, so I bought this blade on Amazon. Let's see what it looks like inside, because you never know when you buy stuff online. Cool. Alright, so I can deal with this. Looks really nice, actually. You know what this is? The sharpener. This is the blade sharpener. That's cool that they included one. Alright, so the blades is right here. Let me see if I can take it out. Is there a way that I can take it out? No, I need something to cut it off. Give me a second. Okay, so here's the blade. Really cool, right? It's kind of like a chainsaw blade. And here's a tool washer if you want to use it. You can see, I think you can even replace this blade individually if you wanted to. That's really cool. They are sharp though.